lana-ke bafethu lokhu abakubiza ukuthi-ke ama-admissions noma-ke lokhu ekuvunyelwana ngako ukuthi-ke impela-ke izinto ekungekho ukuthi kubangiswane noma kuphikiswane ngazo, ukuthi umufi uyena-ke lona ochaziwe-ke noma ekhulunywa ngaye laphana-ke kulokho okubizwa ngokuthi i-charge sheet owadutshulwa khona-ke e-13511 eKutlwanong Street eMzamo section eFosloras khona eJohannesburg. Ogama lakhe kuyena uSenzo Meyiwa, ekuwumuntu wesilisa owayesekhulile, nokuthi-ke umufi uSenzo Meyiwa wachazwa-ke nanjengomuntu osewashona-ke uyena udokotela uMtshekwane kwisibhedlela saseButilong, kwisibhedlela saseButilong nge-26 zika-October 2015 isikhathi ngo-9:15 ebusuku, nokuthi-ke ikopi yasoke leso siqiniseko leso ukuthi-ke bayimaka-ke noma bayiphawula nanjengo-Exhibit G, nokuthi wona-ke umzimba wakhe umufi watholwa-ke uyena uConstable noma wamukelwa uyena uConstable VM Mzini wamaphoyisa aseFosloras, wase ewuthatha-ke uhambisela kusona-ke isibhedlela saseButilong noma uhanjiselwa kusona isibhedlela bawuyena uTP Senthumule osebenzela-ke ezama-forensic khona eGermiston, ukuze ugcinwe khona lapho-ke wabe usunikezwa-ke nenamba-ke abathi i-serial number eU-DR 207-62014 eyathi yanikezwa wona-ke loyo mzimba, kanye-ke futhi nekhopi yokuhanjiswa kwawo umzimba yase iphawulwa-ke nanjengo-Exhibit H, ukuthi wase uchaza-ke lowo mzimba noma ewu-identifya-ke leyo mzimba wase undlulisela kuyena-ke uMiss Elizabeth Mukwena, naye-ke osebenza kwezama-forensic eGermiston nge-27 zika-October 2014 isikhathi kwakuwu-7:30 ekuseni nanjengo-Exhibit J, nokuthi umzimba wakhe umufi wase ukhonjwa-ke uyena uSifiso Meyiwa ekuwumfowabo womufi nge-28 zika-October 2014 ewukhomba kuyena u-Elizabeth Mukwena osebenza-ke kwezama-forensic khona eGermiston, kwase kuthiwa-ke u-Exhibit K1 kanye no-K2, nokuthi umzimba wakhe umufi uSenzo Meyiwa awuzange ulimale futhi emuva-ke noma uthole okunye ukulimala usukela ngesikhathi-ke owachazwa ngawo-ke ukuthi-ke akasekho noma useshonile, kwaze kwayisikhathi la kwenziwa khona-ke lokhu abakubizwa ngokuthi-ke yi-postmortem kuwona-ke umzimba wakhe umufi, nokuthi udokotela uJohannes Steenekamp uyena-ke owenza-ke leyo postmortem kuwona umzimba kamufi uSenzo Meyiwa nge-28 zika-October 2014 ewenzela khona-ke eGermiston, waze wakubhala phansi-ke konke awakuthola noma-ke imbangela awayithola kwiform leyo-ke ewu-number 2076 ka-2014 lana-ke ewu-Exhibit L, nokuthi-ke konke lokho awakuthola-ke okuyimbangela yokushona kwakhe-ke kwabhalwa phansi-ke kumbiko noma-ke kwi-report abayibiza-ke ukuthi eyo-postmortem ubhalwa uyena uDr Johannes Steenekamp, nalapho yaphawulwa nanjengo-Exhibit L, nokuthi ukushona noma imbangela yokushona kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa ibhalwe-ke ngendlela ekuyiyona ku-Annexure L, ngokuthi-ke watholakala-ke enokulimala okwabangelwa yinhlamvu enhliziyweni, nokuthi-ke futhi i-albamu-ke yona-ke eyahlanganiswa uyena uSergeant uMusiya ephawulwa nanjengo-Exhibit C, kanye-ke neplan kulokho-ke kuloko kwenzeka e-13511 Kutlwanong Street eMzamo section nge-27 zika-October 2014 nako-ke kuyamukelwa, kanye futhi ne-album ephawule u-Exhibit D yona-ke eyahlanganiswa uyena-ke owaye-warrant officer ngaleso sikhathi umhlahlo la ichaza khona-ke isini yase-1351 Kutlwanong Street eMzamo section Fosloras 27 October 2014, kanye futhi ney'thombe ezathathwa lapho ezathathwa ngesikhathi se-postmortem nge-28 zika-October 2014 eGermiston, nazo-ke ziyingxenye yaloku iy'thombe u-1 ukuyofika-ke ku-137. That's it, man.
Yes, Mr. Sbiya, can you stand up?
Sicela usukume, Mr. Sbiya.
We have understood this document referred to as admissions in terms of Section 220 of the Criminal Procedure Act. Have you understood those?
Ingaba yini lokho okufunda lana male document lena ke abayibiza ngokuthi ke iloko okuvunyelwana ngako noma ke ekuthiwa ama admissions ngokomthetho sisekelo ingabe uzwisisile yini uyakuzwisisa yini? So confirmed, my lord.
Your counsel explained the contents to you.
Okubhaliwe lana ummeli wakho ukuchazela. That's correct, my lord.
Can I take it that you voluntarily, without any coercion, out of your own free will, signed these admissions?
Ingabe inkantolo ingamukela yini ke ukuthi uma usayinda lapha lokhu ukwenze kuphuma kuwena awuphoqiwe ukuthi usayinde into ephume kuwena ukuthi usayinde? That's correct, my lord.
Okay, thank you. Let's have
Siyabonga.
Mr.
Mr.
Danzi. Have you understood the contents of this document called Section 220, Admissions of Act 51 of 77?
Ingaba lokhu abakubiza ke nanjengo ngama admissions ke ngokomthetho sisekelo ukuzwile yini? Yes, I understood.
Your attorney, your counsel explained these admissions to you.
Ukuchazile lokhu ucacisile kuwena ummeli wakho. That's correct, my lord.
And you have freely and voluntarily, without any coercion, appended your signature to these admissions.
Kwase kuphuma kuwena ke ukuthi usayinde lana akekho awuphoqiwe ukuthi sayinda la kuphume kuwena. That's correct, my lord.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.
Mr. Ngube, have you understood the contents of this Section 220 document in terms of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 77?
Ingaba lokhu okulana ukuzwile yini mfethu ngokulandela? Yes, my lord.
You discussed the contents with your counsel.
Yinto enikhulume ngayo kanye nommeli wakho lokhu okubhaliwe lana. Yes, my lord.
And you freely and voluntarily, without any coercion, signed these admissions.
Kwase kuphuma kuwena ke ukuthi usayinde awuphoqiwe ukuthi usayinde. There was no coercion, my lord.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Mapisa,
Mr. Mapisa,
have you read and understood the contents of this document referred to as admissions in terms of Section 220 of Act 51 of 77?
lokhu okubhalwe lana ngakufundile yini wase uyakuzwa uyakulandela lokhu okulana kwephepha leli? So confirmed, my lord.
And your counsel discussed the contents with you.
Futhi into enikhulumisene nayo nommeli wakho lokhu okubhaliwe la. That's correct, my lord.
And you freely and voluntarily signed this
Wase wena
document.
ke ngokuphuma kuwena ungaphoqiwe wakusayinda. That's correct, my lord.
Thank you. Mr.
Mr.
Ntuli,
Ntuli,
Section 220 admissions.
ngabe nawe futhi Mr. Ntuli ke lokhu okubhaliwe lana ke ukufundile wase uyakuzwa lokhu okulana. So confirmed, my lord.
And you discussed same with your counsel.
Wase ukhulumisana nako nommeli wakho ngalokhu okubhaliwe la. That's correct, my lord.
And you freely and voluntarily appended your signature to this document.
Kwase kuphuma kuwena ke awuphoqiwe ukuthi ukusayinde ukuthi usayinde. So confirmed, my lord.
Okay, thanks.
Siyabonga.
Normally, counsel should also append his signature. Or am I correct? Normally.
That is so, my lord.
Yes, I see you haven't signed, all of you. Hello?
No,
Now
we
you've
did
got
not
to sign.
sign.
I'll tell you why. You know why. You know the reason.
There's no space that was provided for us to
No,
sign.
no. You sign next to the name of.
Preparation the
You
documents
sign next to. You will do it at your own time, but it must be signed next to the name of your client,
as it please
so
the
that
court.
this authentication, if the need arises, that those were your instructions to say your client was also signed. Okay. Right. Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
As a court, please, my lord, we have compiled